important part of a fire alarm and detection system in a public building is the fact that the purpose of that system is, one, obviously to detect the fire, but also is the alerting capabilities so that other occupants of a building, whether someone has pulled a pull station or whether a smoke detector has operated due to the presence of some product of combustion, is to send the appropriate signal to the rest of the occupants who might be in need of evacuation from the property. Now, when we talk about NFPA, we talk about both the public mode and private mode. The public mode is the more prevalent mode that we see in commercial occupancies, and the intent of that is that the noise levels need to rise at least 15 dBA above the average ambient noise that's present in that occupancy. We're intending to evacuate the building, causing people to exit and leave the building during the emergency condition. Other buildings use what we call private mode signaling, and private mode signaling is where, one, you might not necessarily evacuate occupants from a building. You might, in say a healthcare, for example, move those individuals into another protected area. And maybe the people who are in this particular environment aren't able to evacuate themselves due to health, age, physical limitation. A private mode is intended to really signal the trained personnel, whether it be security or nursing staff, or people like that within the occupancy, to take the appropriate actions to either affect moving people to another area or to assist in evacuation of the building.